Guys, in my previous teaching I told you to memorize all the word meanings. I hope that you have memorized. You have found already, you have searched the meanings of those words I had given you in my previous teaching, and you have memorized the word meanings both. So there are few word meanings are there, because this poem it has been written in very lucid manner, not difficult, but the depth is outstanding, and the poet has presented the poem with an outstanding manner, with a superb manner, and he is very much successful to present the views or his views to the readers by emphasizing the qualities, the human qualities, by emphasizing the chief features of human beings which man should inculcate. He also wants to say to eradicate, to remove those evils, that means those pessimistic thoughts. So here he is very much successful to convey the message through this allegorical poem. So on the basis of today's lecture, guys, you note down questions. The first question already I have discussed. You have heard, you have listened to my lecture. So the first question is, what message the poet wants to convey to the readers through the poem The Duck and the Kangaroo. What message the poet wants to convey to the readers through the poem The Duck and the Kangaroo? Within bracket, word limitation 100 to 150 words. Question number 2. The poem ends with a question. Guys, you note down the lines. And who so happy, oh who? It is already written in your book, the last two lines. And who so happy, hyphen, oh who, as the duck and the kangaroo? Question mark is there. I repeat, the poem ends with a question, and who so happy, oh who, as the duck and the kangaroo? Clarify the lines. You have to clarify. That means the poet wants to say, or he is asking, who is happy here? According to you, what do you feel, in your opinion, who is happy? And if he is happy, why? That means clarify. Question number 3. The poem has also conveyed a message. The poem has also conveyed a message that an able person can help a deprived person. The poem has also conveyed a message that an able person, ABLE, person can help a deprived person. Full stop. In this context, CONTEXT, in this context, what is your opinion? In this context, what is your opinion? Depict, opinion question mark, depict in 100 words. Your opinion, depict in 100 words. So guys, this much for the day, and I hope you have understood the poem vividly. Already in my previous lecture, line by line I explained. I already told you taught you the content of the poem in my previous lecture, and today I have just now taught you the theme, or what does the poet want to convey through the poem, this allegorical poem. So, on the basis of today's lecture, you solve these questions. Is it clear? Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.